Now, so it be everything that NBC they have for the entertainment world. Thank you so much, our brother Sydney Shocker. When NBC they let us know all the things that when NBC say they happen for matter when NBC it concern entertainment and our youth. Them. We go look at let's say matter when NBC we talk today. There's plenty where we are around our youth because the other one NBC say it don't happen now. And the one NBC concern. We don't talk about politics. I've been so. We don't talk about the one NBC they happen and the one NBC they use very well. The federal government come out. They talk and say they don't ban codeine. Any cough syrup when you say you get codeine inside the banner, no agreement they import and come again, no agreement they use them. Any cough syrup again. And the constant say true. So what did they happen? The BBC do one special report the other day on this thing. And the constant say true, people they when BBC they hooked to this codeine. So many other drugs, even the one they call tramadol. You know, and I can't see the different things. Even banana, tramadol, igbo. What do they call them? Which name they call them? Black they call
cannabis.
Cannabis, and the way go school be those one. They get the one they call sweet brown sugar. They get the one they call Mary Jane. Wait till you understand? So if they take us, you see they'll go paradise and the rest. What do you talk?
The way they talk this thing. You they take and be done for.
You know they read book. And small picking.
Yeah, yeah, what?
Some people like say they shake hand and say.
The area where you grow, I know saying that area ended. Lagos Street.
Area where you grow, they're not the done.
No, now they can't do one.
They're not the done that time.
No, you don't agree saying that now they can't do one.
And because of now they ban them.
You understand?
So because when they done for a time, they know they abuse them.
You see?
You know what they be saying? After that documentary BBC show, it can show say yes, close to 40% of the youth, especially in the north, close to 40% of the youth in the north, they are addicted to that thing.
Yes.
And over 38% of the youth, they go mad.
Solution.
Whether I take solution, codeine, tramadol, what they call it? Tramadol, take a solution. Do you notice some people say they go, sorry to say, even toilets.
Go take on.
Toilet. Go put nose. Go put nose. For that, this one, they smell the comment. Say, it's cutting the high. You don't back that stage. How come they ask myself, say, waiting the read they happen? Why we will get ourselves involved for these kind of things?
People, they go church and say end time.
And sign of end time. That go mean they take all those kind of bad things.
That's what they'll talk.
Because if you look at this thing now, you see, codeine, when they grow up, when we get cough,
now cough syrup.
Now cough syrup, they get.
Then you get pain. You get pains for
you understand?
body.
You get where you go take and say, take this one, take and go rest.
Yes.
And everything.
One tablespoon in the morning. 1 tablespoon in the evening. Twice a day.
But now they don't carry bottle put out mouth.
Go. So we mix am with a Sprite. Mix am with a
mineral. If you watch some children now, so fine boys and fine girls, you go see and I say, especially the girls, they'll carry minerals. It's not mineral.
They always hold one pet bottle can for hand.
They hold on. The plastic bottle go there for their hand. Because if you call them pet bottle now, the grandma.
Plastic bottle. Okay.
They go hold on for hand.
Plastic bottle.
Plastic bottle. They go hold on for hand. When they hold on for hand, and that you know they finish you. That's one. They put that for mass small. Hold on again. You go see this thing for their hand all the time. You go feel say yes and just ordinary coke. Make you tell and say give me a drink, you know go back give you. You understand? Because you know now, you drink mineral at times and they see you, Victor. I say give me a drink, go talk, give me for say what do they call it? But that one say give me a drink for where you know give you. You know go ever drop and down. Anyway, be say it go there for your hand because something they said that they say. I can't ask myself now say waiting that they gain. Because they can't they hooked to this thing. There's nothing else when we say they go fit to do again.
You know what federal government, I not fit fault them now say why they ban them. Because when God creates everything, He gets paid. Just watch everything we will use for this life. Now one and two. You see, Jesus Christ day, devil day.
So good and bad.
Life day, death day, good day, bad day. They always get opposite. Man day, woman
Any
day.
person will choose to take bad, anything where you see, maybe around. Because this band, what would they talk about now? Who want infector? Or who want enforcer? Chicken. They not ban chicken. Not be the same federal government. Frozen chicken. Now today we try to see bad drugs for this. NAFDAC. Now when Dora they alive.
And NAFDAC function.
No,
when Dora they NAFDAC. Which one be when Dora they alive?
When they NAFDAC.
Oh yes, that's true.
It don't die.
That's true. Yes. Now when she died, she did.
When she died alive, when they NAFDAC, and NAFDAC did, and she died.
NAFDAC died.
NAFDAC died.
No, but people, the NAFDAC, they hear NAFDAC now.
You they hear the name.
Now the name you
they hear the name.
But they know they work.
Some of them very patent stuff now.
But with this one, we say federal government talking, I say they ban the whole thing. Tell NAFDAC, they don't allow that country enter country. Another.
My brother Thomas, Victor, hold on. This now to put money for their pocket. Yes, as Victor talking now, they ban frozen chicken. There are a lot of drugs where they don't ban for with society, for our country. Now to bring money, big money, enter
some people
the players' hand. Because as a banner now, the price will increase. If they sell on 500 naira before, so who ready to sell on now? You don't know the position where you dey, and you don't also know the chain where you want follow for regardation. I take God beg you now. We get drugs a lot where they don't ban, where we still dey see for our pharmacy shops till today, and we get NAFDAC. We get people where they say that they regulate the activities of people where they sell medicine for us for this country. Now just say now 1,005 now I go fit bring am. You go settle. You see why you can't be saying that now? Now today they begin to say youths don't they take over these things. So say they don't they abuse them. Now today they know. My brother, you see these people now with the government, a lot of them they live with that stuff. A lot of them.
But if you really look at it, I think there should be a need to ban this thing.
The need,
If you see people, they want to say don't decrease now.
Many they craze they come. Many they craze they come, my brother Thomas. Many, the one will never craze, now many pass. Because
you sure they'll call craze later.
They will continue to, the craze will increase because within the use and make parable say, if I go, what if body don't learn, you cannot live on. Who the thief now, the thief. They must find where to buy am. Only if the law enforcement agents
go their life
to their responsibility. Then themselves they know they use them. Some of them they use them. That is why you go see gun for I say na accidental discharge. You go see for duty counter they sleep. You go see our lawmakers for house then they sleep. Some of them are those drugs that they kill them for floor of the house. Them and then all of them they take it. Some of them they take. Then the first say they make the harder. They don't understand how the system. But for the fact now say federal government don't come out to say we ban codeine. Now welcome idea. Not be just to use man banner.
But they go.
May they enact law say if we see you sell am, you will sell am, then catch you. Now 20 years without fine. You will. You know they understand. Okay, wait now, wait. I want to tell you one thing. Somebody inside all this argument of appropriation where federal government not the executive not do where they take go buy helicopter. First he talk say that by now suppose don't enact law to say once executive not appropriate any money to take buy anything. This na the punishment wey go follow am. There is no law backing it. No law dey back am. So if you put law, they are not enact law now. Federal government, federal legislative arm, they enact law. You go follow to all the state legislative arms.
Say if that will not be the law.
My brother, you never read the law. The one you see, you understand what I
think about. Maybe try to talk now. Say the need for us to ensure, not be just to make.
Not be just to make pronouncement.
Make we ensure say yes, we follow and reach ground. Because if you look this way, we say we talk so. Our youth saying there's nothing wrong with using drugs. The only problem for cough. Wait, there's nothing wrong with using drugs. The only problem is abusing drugs,
which is excessive intake.
You understand? So now be one thing when we see the happen. this all this codeine when we say yes, they take so tramadol, igbo, bana, brown sugar,
Solution.
Jane, solution, and the rest of all those kind akpata something like that. You understand? All these kinds of things they want to do for paradise. That means they want to say they take them, but at the end of the day, they destroy their
Now,
lives.
paradise of streets.
At the end of the day, because you know, say, one man don't decrease. One man don't decrease. You go look and say, Chris man, not be saying I go come. Chris man don't ask me Thomas Ado. It's so that decrease.
Exactly.
It's so that I don't know what they do.
If to say, if they ask you now,
Yes, that.
say whether in the
It's
decrease,
so that me decrease.
whether you decrease.
Then,
If they ask you whether you
a
decrease,
man ask me whether me
What do they think of? What do they even? Well, they never tell you as MP. As you just see them soon, eh?
they get the belief saying that they're correct.
Now their other life.
now they do paradise.
You understand? That means correct. They get belief saying they're correct.
As
You
you
know
live
correct.
your own,
I
and
said
you live
a
your
madman called me. He asked me. I stand for rule at the time. I say
You know you.
No. I stand for rules.
Yeah.
I try to you
Avoid
understand?
them.
Avoid them.
We need observe say they are avoiding.
And I ask me say you decrease. No, let me. You talk for mouth. You talk about my point for you decrease.
Wetin you come tell am?
What happens? Back and see that they argue with the bar.
When they talk to them.
You say no now, you
I
waka
listen.
comot.
That by the time you as a bad man, they argue, they talk, they discuss.
And I be say
But
na-
people know the difference between
between
you
you and
and the man. I'll tell you one experience when I go one day. I go to psychiatric hospital long ago. Long ago. I go check on somebody. I call
Wey
the
dey
street.
craze?
No. I go check one of the nurses when
The
they
staff
there.
there.
One of the staff. I come to waka, they come back. When I come to waka, they come back. I come see one poster when they put for somewhere. One dead body by the gate there. When they come and they inside the gate there.
Obituary poster.
Obituary. They put that. So I can't take Biro. I call the right information. They look at the right information. Only me tell myself, say, oh, you must see this. See what I do. Where is this? So, and now they come up with this. I don't know what they do. They don't hold me. Say, Oba, come, maybe this guy don't decrease.
And here they say, I'm not a craze.
Yeah,
I'm not a craze. The doctor say, yes, yes, we know, we know.
I hope person like this Hillary, because the question we asked just now, say whether you know why you know tell us
You don't decrease.
So tomorrow now,
Uh-huh.
you maybe
madman.
you
Yes, you decrease. I say no, I waka
no
comot.
not be asked. Maybe you dey bath. They say one man dey bath.
Collect it.
Take one Christmas call.
Collect towel.
Where they block the bathroom.
As he carry am
They
run.
run, they go, you pursue and they go.
They will come be the craze.
Now you dey pursue.
Anyway, but no could not forget what you did for ground.
Exactly.
Say, yes, say, this codeine when we say they ban so. Now one thing when we say, yes, say, the federal government don't do. And one will be so we get to applaud. But just like you said, you need to
No,
go.
they-
No, I no go applaud. No,
you want applaud?
No, Baba say work. Baba say I no go applaud. No, make it not good to say e no go work.
E
E no go work.
No, man, talk without the talk finish. The only thing I see inside be say, make them ensure, say, yes, say, they follow this thing to the latter.
Exactly.
Why I
No,
be like
if talk for
If
mouth.
you, Oyibo man come here the other day, tell me, say, he say he has never seen, say Nigeria has one of the best sets of laws. He said, but the problem is
Implementation.
Because by the time they say, Sado do one thing now, Hillary be Oga Songwe.
Yes.
They can't call Hillary, say, see, Sado, they will say, Sado, no, let him
Leave
go,
her
let him
alone.
leave her. You understand?
Yes.
Then Victor can't do the same thing.
I nail am.
You nail am, seriously. Then tell me how justice
That is
makes sense.
exactly the process wey Nigeria dey.
You understand?
right now.
Until when we see they change all these things, we look and wait, say, that's how it be, let me say it's supposed to be. If not, now where we dey, now there we go.
Na there we dey.
If this thing has been banned, you go ensure say they ban, they follow and
You follow
and
am
the
with
rest.
relevant laws. With relevant laws. No be make you ban am for waiting. No be make you ban am for youth wey no get work. You no ban am for adult wey get work. You no ban am for person wey dey work for multinational. You no ban am for who dey legislative arm for either of the states. All the states wey dey
They
understand.
analyze am now. You talk just now say you no go work. You want chop.
No, we not go, you not go just from now. They say I will beat you just from now. This cry. It not work now. We go only guide them because we know say some of them they listen to that they watch us for this program. Oh.
If na abroad, now they do this kind of thing. Even before them come out,
Come talk am.
come talk am,
The law does have the work.
you don start to dey work. Dem don wait, dem don arrange people wey wan enforce am. Dem don dey ground. You understand wetin I tell you so? Dem don dey ground. You understand? Na when Nigeria government when they wan do bad,
Why do they talk things?
when they wan do bad, arrange people for bad thing, that one no dey hard them. Now they don organize am. You understand? See, I don't see what they organize, the youth where they organize go airport because a person touch you. People they fear to touch you for Benin now.
For Nigeria, not they say for Benin.
For Benin,
They say for Nigeria.
for Benin. And Benin.
Not be the, okay, say a matter of Dino Milan, and not be the same truth the man they talk.
Now,
Because me on my own, I never see wetin they worry that man for now. I never see am.
Now, see wetin that thing wey happen for airport. You see the way they take arrange am, everything work. Make they arrange this band of codeine now, whether it go work. Which law enforcement agency, wey federal government, then discuss with, they gather, then discuss with them. Say, see what you want to do, and I want to know. They are going to just enter there.
But funny enough, now after just immediately after BBC show that this thing shame
to our country.
They just show us that documentary.
They're not the same things.
Now that time they can't know say
They're not
they
the
want
same.
to ban. You see, if they talk about this our youth, how they wonder. You see the last local government election they do here. Some youths tell me, you see, they're not happy. Say one political party.
Not
say why. Say they know they happy. He say because he say that
because money for comment. Money for comment. Yes.
You understand?
Because there was no opposition.
That they put
No.
He said because they can't use money to do the election that time.
This kind of thing, the way they're even supposed to take do it, they don't do their investigation, monitoring, serious one. Know some of all these talks, major places, all these distributors. They don't know where the warehouse where they're doing. They don't know all of them. Pin them down. Then before they go do this announcement. As the door they talk, security agent, rush
into those areas. So they clamp on them.
They clamp on them.
You don't clamp on anyone. You only say no sales again. That mean the one where they get for something. Not bad. That one.
Just stop.
Now,
the people where you get
the ones where they get, say me they sell and finish.
the people where you get waiting them.
Everybody go buy good stuff for their house now. All the users.
They'll go keep them for their house.
Now what did they go do now?
Anyway, Baba, we could take a small break. We'll come back and continue for where we say we stop the program. And good morning from Benin. Don't go anywhere. Stay with us.